Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to use calendar here in Evernote. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Evernote, I want you to click the sign up option, and from here just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Using the Evernote calendar on your mobile device is a great way to keep track of your notes and schedule in one place. But do take note that using the calendar here is kind of like limited in comparison with the Evernote desktop application and the Evernote web version. But the first thing that you need to do, which is very important, is go to the upper left corner. I want you to click the profile icon and click the settings. We need to enable the calendar here in our mobile device. So hover to calendar. You see you can add a template with sections for action items and notes automatically. I want you to click that. The notifications, you want to make sure that the notifications remind me to take notes, get notifications to create notes before or after events. If you do that, all right, so you have these sections for you to put in, because it defeats the purpose if you don't have any notifications for your calendar, right? So you might have missed the important events or, a meeting with clients. So you want to make sure to set these settings accordingly. So is it going to be 5 minutes before start or at start time or at end time? So it's up to you. All right. But let's say it's 5 minutes before start. That's for reminder taking notes. Now, for remind you to open notes, you might want to do that as well for mobile and desktop. And of course, you can click the settings accordingly. Now, you see that the connected calendar accounts is the Evernote calendar. I'm going to show you how to basically leverage and utilize the Evernote calendar here on the mobile device. You see there's going to be like an event, right? So if you click on the event, you can put in, for example, a title. All right, so how to use Evernote calendar. You have an option to snooze it or notify you. Is it going to be all day? If you want, you can do that. But if not, you can set a specific time that you wanted. For example, I'm going to be choosing. All right, and then this is. All right, click on OK. All right, and then for the end date, if you want, also put a different time here. Click on OK. You see, by re-authentication required by clicking create, you will be asked one last time to log in with your connected calendar to allow the platform to create and manage your connected events smoothly. If you click that, event has now created. All right, and again, you can create as many as event as you want. All right, and put in the Evernote calendar here. You see, it's kind of green, right? Now, when you go to your notebooks, for example, and you wanted to create a specific note that you wanted to integrate to your calendar, click that. So I'm gonna add some image here from my file. Click the add, wait for it. Takes a little while. Let me add some text here. And then on the three dots here, if you click it, there should be an option that says add to reminder. All right, and again, from here, you can put in a different time zone. For example, is it going to be tomorrow, today, suggested time? If you wanted to add a due date, you can put it here and click on save. All right. Once you do that, you would be able to successfully create a reminder using the Evernote calendar, which will notify you all day or in a specific time that you have put in here in this platform. Now, if you wanted to integrate your Evernote calendar in the Google account, you might want to do that on the web version. It's not possible here using the mobile device. All right. Thank you so much for watching, guys. We will see you in the next video.